All right, guys, by this time you are done your 5-minute chat with your partner. You should be prepared to discuss. Again, just quickly going over it. I know we've already done this a couple times before, so you're aware. So during the discussion, right, one side's going to present. This time we're going to have the delegates, those who believe that the delegate model makes the most effective legislator, okay? And then the trustees are going to take notes and ask clarifying questions. I would say that the delegates should probably present for about 3 minutes to leave about 2 minutes for questions. When we're done that, we're going to flip. The trustee model side is going to share their opinion as to why the trustee model provides for the most effective legislator. Again, present for about 3-ish minutes, and then the delegates will take notes during that time and ask clarifying questions. Once both sides have had the opportunity to present and ask questions, you will drop whatever role I previously assigned you, and you'll enter the consensus phase, okay? During this consensus phase, right, you are supposed to go back and answer that final question. What makes an effective legislator? It is up to your group to determine what do you think it means to be an effective legislator, right? And then determine what is the answer to that question, right? Do we think that the delegate model or the trustee model provides for an effective legislator? Something I would also like you to do, right? Because I am not with you. In your consensus part on your paper, on your organizer that you're filling out, I want you to first define, what does your group consider? How are you defining an effective legislator? An effective legislator is someone who, and then explain whether it is the trustee or the delegate model that you think best fits your definition of an effective legislator. All right. With that, guys, I'm going to switch over here to a timer. I made it for a little bit more than 15 minutes. Each section is supposed to be 15 minutes, but I know it'll take a little bit of time to transition from one to the other. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer. Delegate model go, trustee model go, build consensus. By the end of class, you should have completely finished this organizer and turn it into the sub. With that, I'm going to go ahead and start your timer, and then I will try to remind you every few minutes or so when it's time to switch. All right, go for it. All right, guys, by now you should have gone ahead and switched. The delegate should have presented. The trustee should have asked clarifying questions. Now it is the trustee's time to present.
Hi, long legs Copsy down here.
All right, guys, at this point you should be wrapping up your second discussion. So the delegates should be finishing their corresponding or clarifying questions for the trustee model. As soon as you are finished those questions, you can go ahead and move on to the consensus building stage. Please make sure that you complete your organizer and submit it to the substitute when you are done your consensus stage.
Today, in the public library,